In this episode of Fun Time with Pepper, powers of the elements turn Pepper into Tornado Pepper, a superhero that helps the Earth. Pepper uses her tornado powers to overcome the problems of the Earth.
Fun Time with Pepper.
One warm sunny day, Pepper was taking a walk through the forest. Suddenly, to Pepper's surprise, she was lifted up off the ground by a strange power.
Pepper, do not be afraid. We have selected you. You are special.
Pepper had no idea what to make of the voice coming from the wind and clouds.
We are the energies of the weather elements. Pepper, you have been selected and we give you a great power. You must use your power for good and to help people and the earth.
Powers? What powers?
You will have the power of the wind.
Okay. Really? I've never enjoyed spinning before. It usually makes me dizzy.
Whoa! Easy does it.
Did that just happen? Did I turn into a tornado?
Pepper did indeed turn into a tornado. She moved speedily across the mountain and the desert. Oh yeah! Tornado Pepper began using her new powers to help others. A beached whale is easily rescued by Tornado Pepper. A jet airliner is in trouble. Tornado Pepper ensures a soft landing. After several long weeks of superhero acts, Pepper returns to her human form and plays in the backyard.
Hey, girl.
Suddenly, Pepper hears a volcano erupting in the nearby mountains. Pepper once again turns into Tornado Pepper. Tornado Pepper spins towards the volcano with the hope of stopping it. It appears this is a major volcanic event. Hot lava erupts from the center. The volcano spews lava rocks into the air. Tornado Pepper catches the lava rocks. Next, the volcano's lava slides down the mountainside. Tornado Pepper cools the hot lava with her winds. More lava comes out of the volcano vents. Tornado Pepper cools the vents.
Wow!
Finally, Tornado Pepper tackles the giant volcano itself. In a flash, the volcano is reduced to smoke and ashes.
That was hard work.